Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the route marker sign for national highways. We will discuss about its design, its location, and all other parameters of route marker sign for national highway.
Welcome to our channel, Civil Engineering Basics. For more videos please subscribe, Civil Engineering Basics.
Let's start by introduction. Planting of route marker signs along national highways is considered advantageous for more than one reason. Type designs for national highway route marker were developed initially in the Roads Wing of the Ministry of Transport, Government of India, and discussed at the Chief Engineers meeting held in April 1952. The design finalized in light of these discussions was issued by the consulting engineer, Road Development, to the Government of India for general adoption and also published as an Indian Roads Congress standard in 1953. Consequent upon switchover to metric system, in the country, it became imperative to metricize the standard. The metrification was initially considered by a subcommittee of the Indian Roads Congress dealing with matters concerning roads. Later on, it was examined by the Specifications and Standards Committee, personnel given on inside front cover, along with a general revision of the standard at its meetings held in 1967. Besides rationalization of the various dimensions and values into metric units, certain other important changes have also been incorporated in this revised edition, which was approved by the Executive Committee at their meeting held on September 24, 1968, and finally by the Council at their meeting held at Bombay on November 2, 1968. Let's discuss about the design of route marker. A national highway route marker sign shall consist of a shield painted on a rectangular plate 450 mm by 600 mm. The design is given below. The sign shall have a yellow background and the lettering and border shall be in black. The yellow color shall conform to canary yellow, Indian Standard Color number 309. Materials of the paint shall be in accordance with the requirements specified by the Indian Standards Institution. This is the National Highway Route Marker sign used in India. Let's discuss about the location of marker. The sign shall be erected on national highways ahead of their intersections with other important roads, immediately after the intersections as confirmatory route markers, at suitable locations through built-up areas, and at such other points that may be considered necessary to guide the through traffic. On roads without curbs, the sign shall be erected with a clear distance of 2 to 3 meters between the post and the edge of the carriageway. On roads with curbs, the sign post shall not be less than 60 mm away from the edge of the curb. To avoid specular reflection from the sign face, the sign shall be turned slightly away from the road as indicated in Plate 2. Definition plate. When the sign is erected in advance of a junction, the direction which the national highway takes at the junction shall be indicated on a definition plate of the size 300 mm by 250 mm fixed below the shield as shown in plate. Background color of the definition plate shall be the same as of the shield. The border and arrow shall be in black. You can see the definition plate in this diagram. Route marker assembly at junctions with numbered routes. When a numbered route intersects or takes off from a national highway, indication about the number of the intersecting route may be provided by erecting, ahead of the intersection, its route marker sign along with the marker of the national highway route being traveled upon. Such auxiliary markers shall be mounted on the same post as carrying the regular route marker and be accompanied by a definition plate carrying a single or a double-headed arrow pointing in the general direction or directions in which that route may be followed. Note, the examples given below are the case when the intersecting route is a national highway. The route marker assembly will basically be the same when the intersecting route is a state route or of some other classification, the only difference being in the shield. Route marker assembly at junctions of national highways with other numbered routes.
Thank you so much for viewing this video. For more video on civil engineering, subscribe my channel. Civil Engineering Basics.